Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, this is a quick video on the wall mount bracket. This is for the Orbis, and this is my satellite Orbi right here. By the way, if you're using the Orbis or if you're not quite using them yet, you're not sure, go check out my other video. I do a nice review of them and they are awesome, awesome, awesome. And this bracket right here, at first I was just putting this satellite kind of down here on the ground, on the floor, and it didn't work as well, and it was just a pain in the neck, and I wanted to make it look a little bit nicer, neater in here. Also, you get way better range if you put it about mid-room, or you could put it up high too, but I think right here is really helping out with that Wi-Fi extension too. So anyway, just a quick little review of it. It's quick, it's easy. I mean, it's just this little plastic piece at the bottom. Comes with 2 screws, goes in really easy. Took maybe 5 minutes to set up. And then also the wire I had going down, it kind of looked a little bit sloppy. So I bought these guys right here. It's just this little plastic piece right here. And then it comes with a little sticky part at the end. And you just stick these guys on right here and you can see it does a nice job for like cable management, just to try to make it look a little bit nicer and neater. And I'll put links in the description to all 3 of these products right here, including the Orbi, this little stand guy, and even I'll put these, they call them like eyelet, little wire managers. Okay guys, hope you appreciate this video. This is like my 3rd or 4th video that I'm gonna make on the Orbis. So subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and then if you go to the playlist and look under Orbi, you'll see some other Orbi videos, so you can check them all out. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.